Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open an Audi Q8 key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. This button is usually quite small and flush with the casing. Press it firmly to release the emergency key blade. Once released, carefully pull the emergency key blade out completely. This step is crucial for accessing the internal components and preparing the fob for battery replacement. Now that the emergency key is out, you'll need a small, flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. A plastic tool is often preferred to avoid scratching the fob. Insert the tip of your chosen tool into the slot where the key blade was. Apply gentle pressure and carefully twist the tool. This action should create a small gap, allowing you to begin separating the two halves of the key fob's casing. With the gap created, continue to carefully pry open the key fob casing along its seam. Work your way around the entire perimeter until the two halves separate. Inside, you will see the circular battery. Note its orientation before removal. Use your small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently lift and remove the old battery from its compartment. Be careful not to damage any internal components during this process. Now, insert a new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, reinsert the emergency key blade until it locks into position. Your key fob should now be fully functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.